This is how to make bush spice kangaroo skewers.
Territory style.
So what are we doing to this roux today?
We're going to be dicing it up, adding some beautiful bush spices, a bit of bush tomato, or we call it a kajara.
Can you get a lot of native spices in this area of the NT?
This is not just a desert. It is beautiful, it's plentiful. I know where all this bush tucker is around here. Straight onto some skewers and into a hot pan.
I'm from the outback, Rayleen, so you got to use your hands out there.
Oh, I've been watching your TikTok.
And where did your love for cooking come from?
What I love doing is just sharing these stories, and it's all through food.
I'm pretty keen to have a feed myself. Is that all right? I'm not exposing too much thigh at this right now. Is it a bit too much? Okay. Time for a salad.
We've got macadamia nut, a little bit of wattle seed. They're starting to smoke up. Yum. We'll get those into the bowl.
Good be on.
You're gonna get it.
Yes.
A bit of cucumber here.
We've got some quandongs.
Yep, we call them a desert peach.
Macadamians. Right.
Yeah, macadamias.
Macadamia.
And then we're gonna get the dressing. I hope you got a coldie waiting for me, and I need some bush medicine for my knees.
Amazing kangaroo skewers, a beautiful bush salad, and this dressing. How good does that look?
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh yeah.
What better place to be sitting down eating kangaroo right here in the heart of Australia.
All right, we're done. I want to take in this view.
Can I stay here? Because I just can't get up. My knees are gone.
I'll do the sightseeing, Rayleen.